If you got a blunt in your hand at this point in time, then you're in the perfect station. SoCal 420 Skyhawk Radio presents the What's in the Blunt Podcast with your host, Kelvin the Connoisseur. Today I got my boy JP. JP is a producer who works for Good Job First. If you guys don't know what Good Job First is, he interns for him. He's a top-notch producer who's worked for Post Malone, Travis Scott, people like that. My boy over here works with those same type of artists. We're talking for PnB Rock. We also have Draco the Ruler, R.I.P. him.
Draco.
Yep. So we got somebody who's very tapped into the industry. Weed, music. Let's get it done. JP, introduce yourself, my friend.
Yo, what's up? I'm JP. I go by JP's at you, and I've been doing music for like a good 5-10 years now. I'm going in right now, just grinding it out. You know, I engineer, I produce. I've also been A&Ring, so with like the new artists in LA. Not even just in LA, honestly, just like all over the world. Just, you know, it's always been one of my dreams to tap in with new and upcoming artists just because of how gatekeeping the industry is. Trying to work on that right now.
Time you're in the studio, you got people just blazing in there, just smoking one up, smarking that shit up.
Bro, all the time, bro. Like, I was in a session the other day with another engineer, actually, and he's like a preppy dude, so he doesn't even like smoke, drink, or anything like that. And they were blazing it in there, and then... Bro, he was coughing for like a good 10 minutes, and I looked him in the eye. Bro was just faded, bro. I was like, nah, this guy's faded. But it's happened to me a couple of times too, where I just be in a session. I'm like, nah, I'm high right now. Like, nah, like I need to work. Like I gotta just step out, drink some water, get some fresh air.
And that's just
shit,
contact
bro.
high. We're not
contact high, bro.
Contact.
It's just like hot box 24/7 in there. It's crazy.
You and JP. So have you been to any festivals lately, man? Have you done any events lately? Anything like that?
Yeah, I mean, I just did Rolling Loud LA with Billy Rax.
How was that experience like?
Bro, it was insane, bro. Like never in a million years I thought. Like we were just in there. We showed up late. You know, I went through like the whole process. They had like dumb security in there. It was insane. They literally made us walk out the car. They had like metal detectors under the car, like bomb searching, dogs, like it was crazy, bro. Like, you know, have you ever seen that shit in like the movies where it's like you have the stop right here and then another stop right here, so you can't exit, like go, you can't. Bro, they had that on us. Like it was literally like that. So
from one checkpoint to like another
type thing, bro. You go in and it's like they put this up and then they put it up there and then like you just stand right there until they're done checking. Like, bro, it was crazy. It was crazy. But it was dope though. Like, you know, I was backstage. I had to set up the sound for Billy. So as soon as I got there, like I just separated from them and I went to stage, and then it was dope seeing that experience. Yeah, just work shit. Like I didn't even really even get photos, videos like that, because I was just like manning the auto tune and like the sound. I had to make sure you sounded straight like throughout the whole set. So it was dope though. It was definitely an experience. And then we're doing Miami too, so in July, so that's gonna be lit. It's gonna be crazy, back to back. And then we got Wireless Festival, which is in the UK.
Those are always lit, bro.
Yeah,
those are
I heard. I've never been, so doing the sound for that is gonna be crazy for sure. Yeah. It's gonna be lit. Damn. And then we just did a release party with FKI first. Me and you did.
Oh, that was fun. That release party was actually really good. Yeah,
it was dope.
Everybody was just smoked out. We were just chilling, vibing, listening to a new release, all that.
Yeah, it was dope because like, you know, that was I got to assist mix that album, so it was lit. And then everyone was high. We were drinking. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of turned off of those drinks that we had.
Oh yeah, that open bar was sick too. Yeah, that was
crazy.
No, that event was. I'm telling y'all, man, y'all need to tap in with us, man. We're out here just turning up, just chilling out here. You got your boy Kelvin the Connoisseur here and JP. If you guys really want to see more exclusive content, what's your handle, bro? So they check you out.
You can find me at JPIsThatYou on Instagram, everywhere, Twitter, everything.
Everything. JPIsThatYou. Don't forget that name. And then you guys know me, Kelvin the Connoisseur, Kelvin the Go-Getter. Definitely try to tap into either or. Kelvin the Go-Getter is my main. If you guys want my more personal one, Kelvin the Connoisseur is where we have content like this.
Yo, so what's it like being in like the weed industry, bro? Like
the weed, bro. Yeah, the weed industry is fun, dude. It's what I've been doing. Look, so the thing with me, dude, is I wanted to become a lawyer, bro.
Yeah.
Halfway through, I was like, after I graduated, got my bachelor's, I was like, yeah, bro, I'm not doing this shit. Like, I'm good. I was like, I want to do something fun. By that time, I was already working in cannabis.
Yeah.
So I said, you know what? Fuck it. I like doing this. Let's keep going. What better way to talk about it and give back to the plant that I love, you know, and talk about it and spread knowledge and education. Because, you know, out here, we're talking about everything. It's not just about smoking. It's also a lifestyle, you know?
Yeah, no, facts.
Like you know that based off, like, how many people you work with, how many people you see smoke. Like, almost everybody in the industry smokes, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, right.
Mhm.
Like 90%. Would you say
Yeah.
80?
Like 90%, bro. Like
Right.
every session you're in, you just expect to get high. Honestly, like
Yeah, that's what I
there's
mean.
just like it's definitely a lifestyle now. But it's still crazy to like think about how like young it still is, like
Yeah.
legally young. Like you know what I'm
Legally
saying?
young.
Like the industry is still like massively
young.
growing. Yeah,
Yeah.
like
From
it's crazy.
Everything, dude, from marketing to what it could do, because there's a lot of gray areas when it comes to cannabis.
Mhm.
But that's what I mean. That's why that event was really cool that we threw, because it was cannabis, music,
Yeah.
and good vibes,
Yeah,
bro.
no,
Like it was just
literally.
us smoking and chilling. Like that's what
Mhm.
it's supposed to be like, you know.
Yeah.
And that's a lifestyle, bro.
Mhm.
That's what it is.
Nah, it's just dope. Yeah.
Bro,
It's crazy.
you've worked with some pretty interesting people, bro. Who would you say was a pretty memorable one that you worked with? Whether it be like with PnB Rock or like Drake with the Ruler.
Has to be PnB Rock.
PnB Rock?
Yeah,
That session
yeah.
was sick.
That session was dope,
Yeah.
bro. Like like for me, it's like in the industry you got all these people where it's like it's an ego thing. So it's like
Mhm.
they're like stuck up, crazy. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying? Like
yeah.
just you know what I'm
I'm already
saying?
knowing, yeah.
Yeah. So to meet PnB, like he was so humble, bro. Like he would just in the room he wasn't even PnB. Like that's how I like to think about it. In the room he wasn't PnB. He was just like a regular person, just
Yeah.
another person just that just does music. And like that's how he held himself up. So he was like, nah, bro, like it was just dope, bro. Like the most humble person that I probably met to date. Honestly,
Hell yeah, dude. Yeah, and you met him literally what, like a month or two, before his incident?
3 months.
Yeah,
Yeah.
before-
But nah, he was dope. Like in the
Yeah.
session, he bought all of us food and shit. Like
Yeah, you see.
it was just cool vibes all around. Like literally cool vibes. And I think that's like the most important thing to have in a studio session. Cause like if there's no
Mhm.
vibes and like someone's just being an egomaniac or like
Mhm.
just, you know, a diva, it's like then you're killing the vibes, bro. Like how are you gonna make music
Yeah.
like that? Like you know what I'm saying? Like
And that goes to speak bigger volume, because his music was very good, and then you could tell just based off how you carry yourself, how you are, and I definitely agree with that, dude.
Nah,
That makes a
facts.
big difference in the studio
Hell
and
yeah,
also
it
sound
does.
quality.
Hell yeah, it does. Yeah. Like yeah, for sure.
Oh yeah, JP, I fuck with that, bro. That's sick, bro. I'm proud of you, bro. I'm glad that you're doing this, bro. I like to
Appreciate
see
you,
all
bro.
my homies eat, bro. Like this is
Hell
fucking
yeah.
sick.
Hell
Like
yeah,
I really
bro.
do fuck with it, bro.
Appreciate you, bro.
Remember, y'all keep tuning into Skyhawk Radio, the SoCal 420 chat, where we're just high talking about good music, good weed. We got good everything here, man. This is not just nothing, no regular schmegular. It's an actual lifestyle, right, JP? And we're
Actual
here, man.
lifestyle, we live it.
Yeah, like my homie right here, he don't smoke, but it's all good. He still likes to chill with us. Like he don't care. He
Yo,
don't
I'm
judge us.
I'm not gonna lie. One of those
Yeah.
people like that I don't smoke, but I love smelling weed.
Yeah,
Like,
you
it
see?
smells good. Like,
It's a plan. I don't blame
Nah,
you, dog.
bro,
Like,
like-
it's a plan.
I know every time
Yeah.
you get a strain and you're like, yo, I got something new. I'm like, yo, let me smell that real quick. Like it just smells good.
Yeah, no, yeah, dude. Actually, as a matter of fact, bro, you want to smell something good?
Yeah, what you got?
Yeah, I have something good that you can smell, actually. Let me know what you think, dude. 'Cause this is interesting. This is interesting, man. I like to see what people who don't smoke think about weed, you know?
Don't even tell me what it is, because I know like once you told me how to tell what a strain is. So like by smelling it, like if it's like what is it? If it's like earthy and like kind of hits you on like the tip of the nose, it's like more of an indica type thing. Damn, that's fire. It smells good.
That's the OG. You think that one smells
Yo,
good?
Jet lag OG.
I don't know.
Crazy.
That's not it.
And it's cannabiotic. Is this one of their new strains or what?
This one, yeah, that is one of the new strains, dude. So cannabiotics, you've had them before, right?
Yeah, cannabiotics is
Because
fire.
I know you used to smoke here and there.
Yeah.
And I got another one, too. I know you're familiar with this brand. We smoke this shit a lot.
Oh, Creme de Ment's fire. Yeah,
Yeah, smell
bro,
it.
that was one of my favorite brands too.
No, Alien Labs, fool.
Labs, yeah. Nonsense.
Oh, yeah, the strain? Yeah.
Whoa, bro, this
That one
one
smells crazy, huh?
smells like cookies almost. Like
Yeah.
sweet. What?
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, it smells fire, bro.
I mean, you
That's
know, bro.
crazy.
Like, you gotta admit, I got the best sometimes.
Nah, yeah, bro, you do for real. You straight just be surprising me, bro.
Yeah.
You got crazy ass shit.
You see, I'm glad that you could at least appreciate it, bro. You're not one of those people that's like, man, fuck that. Get that shit
Nah.
out from me. You're like, you recognize it's a plan. You're
Yeah,
oh,
like
sick.
nah, it's
Yeah.
everyone like uses it differently. So like
Mhm.
I've always tried to understand like everyone that uses it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it's just
Yeah.
cool to see.
Yeah. Fuck
Like,
yeah, dude.
one of the homies just doesn't smoke at all, but he just be hitting it sometimes. And then he just gets stoned to the
Stoned.
bone. Like, it's crazy. Like, bro, alien. Like, he just looks like an alien. It's
Yeah, bro.
funny, bro.
Fuck, JP, it's been a fucking pleasure, bro. I hope you've had a good fucking 420, bro. Even though you don't, partake in smoking, I hope you enjoy the vibes, the good energy.
Nah, it's a dope vibe, dope energy for sure. I'm just glad to see all my homies get stoned to the bone on 420 with a bunch of exotic things that I just don't even know about. Like, you know what I'm saying?
But
Like,
it smells good, shit.
but it smells good.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I appreciate you guys for tuning into the What's in the Blunt podcast. Remember, guys, tune into Skyhawk Radio, tune into the SoCal 420 channel, and you'll find all of our exclusive content on there. Please, guys, feel free to follow me. My name is Kelvin the Connoisseur, and over here to my right, we got JP. Remember,
Yes,
JP,
sir.
tell them what your handle is, bro.
JP is that you on Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. I'm saying I'm here with the Weed Jesus. This guy's going crazy.
Bro, tell them about what's it called. You got any deals going on, bro? Because I know you engineer for all these new up-and-coming rappers, bro.
Hit me up
Yeah,
on
bro.
Instagram. Doing 50% off mixes right now. If you hit me up, first 10 people hit me up, I'll give you guys like 2-hour free studio session off your 6 hours that you book. So you'll only be paying for 4. So, just hit me on Instagram. We'll
Hell
get that
yeah.
going.
As a matter of fact, tell them Kelvin the Connoisseur sent you,
Mhm.
man, and we might work some shit out, man.
Yeah,
Tell them I sent
exactly.
you. Come on, bro. Tap in with my boy. That's
Yep.
what we do out here, man. It's a lifestyle. Come on now. Tune in. Tap in with your boy, Kelvin the Connoisseur, man. SoCal 420 Radio, man.
Yep. It was a
Appreciate-
pleasure being here, Kelvin. Thanks for having me, bro. Like, hell yeah. Let's go get stoned and shit then.
Yeah,
You
bro,
know what I'm
bro.
saying?
Pleasure hosting you, bro. Definitely. This isn't going to be the first. It won't be the last, bro.
Hell yeah.
I'm definitely going to have you on more, bro, as we grow our careers together, bro.
Hell yeah, bro.
You'll see this shit. Watch. It's going to play back. You're going to be like, damn, this is crazy.
This is where we started. This
That's
is
where we
we're
started,
at.
bro. That's where we're at, bro.
For
Trust,
real.
trust. Yeah,
For
dude.
real.
Appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Peace. Happy 420, everybody.